Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to use Tabby on Jarir Bookstore, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is go to Jarir Bookstore and log into your account. So if you don't have one, you can register for a new one by simply click on here. Then this header section. Now from here you have to choose the product that you want to purchase. Now for example this here, or we can say this bike here for example. Now from here you can do is simply click on add to cart. Now when you have added it to cart, you can simply click on go to cart here. Now from here you can see that from here when you are going to check out, then they will actually accept Tabby, so you have to simply add some details and your delivery spot and also the credentials of your Tabby account, and you will be able to purchase it. But not all product has the insurance or all the installment actually, or not all product has that installment options. Some other or some exact or some product have some installment in some specific location where they actually able to deliver. Now when you are actually simply click on this checkout, then there you can find the installment option, so where you can simply click on it and you can use your Tabby as a payment option. But for installment, actually Tabby won't be available to give you some installment on Jarir Bookstore. You have to add your bank account and you can get that installment offer on Jarir Bookstore. But if you want to buy instantly a product or other product, then you can use the Tabby as a payment method. So that's pretty much all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.